Hello everyone, it's Martin from LED. Today we are going to introduce you our indoor P2.604 LED module. This model features a concise pixel pitch of 2.604 millimeters pixel pitch. The standard size is 250 millimeters by 250 millimeters. The resolution of this LED module is 96 by 96 to make the screen display more details. About the brightness, it ranges the 800 nits to 1000 nits, so it's very bright and can get better visual experience for indoor environments. Its refresh rates can be up to 3840 Hz to 7680 Hz. It's a very high refresh rate, can make the video playback more smoother and fluently. This LED module adopts a wide viewing angle design, so the screen content can be visible from any perspective. It also adopts the black lamp technology for the indoor LED module, which can make the colors more vibrant and make the black deeper. In short, for P2.604, this model is an ideal choice for the various conference and corporate reception areas and exhibitions and events. It's striking a perfect balance between the clarity, performance, and cost. So if you have any interest for this product, please feel free to contact us on our website or email. Anyway, thanks for your watching.